Hey guys, we're here in the 2019 BMW M2 with my friend and instructor Brad Pines, good man, at Road America. We've had a greasy morning. That felt good.
Well done. So smooth. What a pleasure. That was wonderful. Thank you, Chris.
You taught me a lot that one day at Gingerman.
Well, you did all the driving. All I did was sit there. You've got a lot of skill now to go with all that talent. Well done.
Thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm feeling good these days, but definitely, you know, trying to work on what was really big that one day at Gingerman was just bleeding off that brake pedal. That made such a big difference.
If you are melting off the brake, you're giving the front end of your car grip.
Yes.
And the nice thing is, think how little you change the balance of that car.
Yeah, good. That felt good. This is a great little car. It's fun.
Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Listen, do me a favor, stay in the car so no one else can drive it.
Okay.
We'll just stay together.
We'll just keep going.
We'll just keep going.
Great, great.
It's fun.
I'm about it.
Oh, that was wonderful, man. Thank you so much. That
Yeah.
was a lot of fun.
I'm glad this worked out. I should probably just turn it
You
off.
gotta turn it. There's no other way to do it, it seems.
Yeah.
To put it in park. I can't find a way to get it into park.
Yep, that's it. That's how the DCTs are in these BMWs.
Okay, well, good, because that means
Yeah.
I didn't miss something.
No, you're 100% on point. You're there.
You never know.
Yeah.
Let me unplug this so I can take off. Yeah, $9.
That's great.
This is FM transmitter.
Okay, so you're 88.9,
yeah.
yep.
Chatterbox.
Nice.
And I've got a, set up in the helmet, but that means everyone can hear me.
Yeah.
Instead of trying to put something in and out of their helmet,
I know.
I'm broadcast. I mean, there's already a stereo.
It sounds like we're in an auditorium.
That's right. Live from. All I have to do is just.
Yeah, it's right. Be the voice,
Stig.
the voiced Stig, exactly.